Is your Windows PC crawling like it's stuck in molasses? Let's get it back up to speed. First, let's identify the culprits. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Pay close attention to the CPU and memory usage. If a single application is hogging a huge percentage, that's likely your problem. Right-click it and select End Task to free up resources. Be cautious though. Ending critical system processes could cause issues. Next, let's clean house. Go to Settings, then Apps, and then Apps and Features. Uninstall any programs you no longer use. These programs can consume valuable system resources even when they're not actively running. Now let's tackle storage. In Settings, go to System and then Storage. Click on Temporary Files. Windows will scan for files that can be safely deleted, like old update files or recycle bin contents. Select the items you want to remove and click Remove Files. Another powerful tool is Disk Cleanup. Search for it in the Windows search bar and open it. Select your C drive and let it scan. Check the boxes for files like downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and the recycle bin. Click OK to free up more space. Keeping Windows updated is crucial for performance and security. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and check for updates. Install any available Windows updates. Sometimes these updates include performance enhancements that can make a big difference. Finally, let's optimize your drive. Search for Defragment and open Defragment and Optimize Drives. Select your main drive, usually C, and click Optimize. This process reorganizes data on your hard drive, making it faster to access files and improving overall performance. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your Windows PC's speed and responsiveness. Keep up with these maintenance tasks regularly to ensure your system stays running smoothly.